Why is the floor moving?
Rotate.
Yeah, I know. It tells you that it rotates if you're in it.
Oh wow.
You spin on it.
Rotating tram cars, providing you 300 degrees
No matter where you are, you're gonna get. Oh, that's so scary.
We're all freaked out. That's cool, so it's like an equal view, right?
That's what it said, yeah.
elevation.
Yeah.
We travel over 2.5 miles a day by 12 miles. At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. And the trees
We'll be out of the sun in a minute.
we travel over 5 towers. 127 feet, much the same as a 12-story building. It's the road. All other towers and the above had to be constructed by transporting workers and materials. Tight by helicopter. What's the start home? Australia eventually visited. Many springs all year round, and in abundance, including chicken, poultry, blackmail, and a great grapevine. South, Sar is but one of many waterfalls fed by runoff from the mountain. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different life zones, ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurred. As we approach tower number 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey.
I'm gonna get a picture of
As you no doubt already noticed, we experienced the swinging motion as the tram car transitions track cable over the tower saddling back to the track cable. This motion results in the car moving from the tower to the track. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company. Was made. The tower, primarily. There's a total of 27 miles of various tied cables to support movement and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the track cables on which we ride. They weigh just under 9,000 foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length. Therefore, weighing a total of 160. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3.
That's really cool right here.
Here, downward car travels faster. Our is actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the following cables. You see, the drive system of the Valley Station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart. The Palm Springs area of traffic was first conceived in the early 1900s.
I don't want to look down here.
Young, flexible, this day is known as the father of the tramway, which it was completed in September of 1963. Having done 26 years of construction and a cost of $8.5 million, all for the sale revenue bond. In April 1998, Palm Springs Aerial Tramway contracted with the Bond Road Tramway to undertake the construction and installation of these new rotating one of them right at a total cost of, just as in the very beginning, no tax dollars were given for the cost of construction and operating
Oh my god!
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the longest span of the
I want to like get like my foot in it
one of the
and like
most
rest.
dramatic
I
sights
wish I
of
could
our
take my
entire
foot out,
trip.
you know?
The majestic spire
That's it.
visible of the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue our journey, the life zone changes with the more
Oh my god. That's where we were.
natural residents.
Pictures like going to a distance, you know? Oh yeah, here we go. Our window, the windows are in. The ears are popping.
Oh yeah, that's a
The smallest of the size is Tower number 57 located elevation of 7,500.
Oh, there's another tower right there.
That's what they are.
That is crazy.
Imagine having a land on that. Oh my gosh! It's so much colder. Pictures like don't
We are nearing the end of our journey. Then the state park welcomes us for more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails. In winter, many miles of snowshoe cross-country ski opportunities.
Oh, here comes the window. It's so much colder.
One of the very few snow-covered areas of Southern
It's so cool.
To arrive will be at 8,516 feet, 2,595 metres.
My ears are
We'll ask you to hold on just for a bit longer, please. There will be a bump or two as we come in the dock. If you're arriving on the second floor where there's a gift shop, I'm sure you see the photographs taken of you down in the valley. Up on the third floor level, there are 3 viewing decks. To the far left is Grub's View. Up the steps, you'll find a 360 view of Grub's View. Another viewing deck to the left of us, great view of the valley. One right above the tram car here. See how we duct tape the car and roll down. Also on the third floor level, there's 2 restaurants, and for those who need it, there's a bar. Movie history of the tram, one about the state park. This moment in time, cars on the